Synergy among law enforcement agencies is pertinent in ensuring adequate security of lives and a sane environment in Lagos State. This was one of the key issues discussed at the just concluded 3-day retreat for law enforcement officers, organized by Lagos State Law Enforcement Training Institute (LETI) in Badagry. The retreat, which was themed New Approach to Law Enforcement in the 21st Century, an actualization of the security pillar of the theme's agenda of Lagos State, was an opportunity for the agencies to discuss challenges of law enforcement and deliberate on how best to tackle them. Head of LETI, Prince Ifalade Oyekon, said the institute had embarked on initiatives to rebrand LETI in order to achieve its objectives in line with the theme's agenda and ensure synergy among law enforcement agencies.
We have a list of items or projects that we consider that is very, very important in the branding LETI. One of it is technologies as a driver for law enforcement, the introduction of the body-worn camera. The next thing we felt that we have to really, put into our own plans as well is the development of database to manage the growth of law enforcement officers. The third item is continuous sanitization and enlightenment of law enforcement officers and the general public. What we found out when we came on board was that a lot of all the officers are not working in synergy. One. Two, a lot of them are not, following the laws. And moreover, the citizens believe the law enforcement officers are not their friends whenever they see them. They are hostile about them. But we want to change their perspective, that impression of, the public.
The facilitators also called for a stronger bond and communication between LETI and the law enforcement agencies to achieve their desired goal.
In talking about 21st century approaches, the first thing that we must know is that we cannot continue to do business the way we have been doing it before. There must be what we call paradigm shift, and there must be value reorientation. And for LETI must actually work in tandem with the 4 agencies that they work together or it serves. They must be partners, they must be collaborators, and they must cooperate together to take Lagos State further than what it has always been. So mindset must change, value must be totally different, and there must be synergy.
This is an attempt by the state to ensure that law enforcement agencies in the state are well trained in order to meet the challenges of the new status of Lagos as a mega city. We have realized that we also need to carry them along in order to ensure that when they are interacting with the people in respect of enforcing the laws of Lagos State, they are doing so as a well-trained officers. They also need to use technology to ensure that the challenges of enforcing the laws of Lagos State are met and that people are not maltreated in an attempt to ensure that they enforce the laws of Lagos State.
Coming together under LETI is one strong way that we can achieve this because, when you learn together, you tend to lean on yourselves. So coming together under this kind of umbrella will go a long way to help. And at the same time, I believe if we have like a commissioner that will be fully saddled with the responsibility of law enforcement in the state, that will see ourselves as members of the same family to go a long way.
Participants were representatives from the Lagos State Traffic Management Authority, Vehicle Inspection Service, Lagos Neighborhood Safety Corps, Lagos State Environmental Sanitation Corps, and Kick Against Indiscipline.